Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we're diving into the detailed process of replacing your Dell keyboard. First, let's gather our tools. You'll need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a microfiber cloth for cleaning. If you don't have these tools at home, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you. Start by powering off your laptop and unplugging it. This is crucial for your safety. Next, remove the battery if your model allows it. Check your user manual for specific instructions on your Dell model. Now, locate the screws securing the keyboard. Typically, these are found on the bottom of the laptop. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, use your plastic spudger to gently pry the keyboard away from the chassis. Be cautious here, you don't want to damage any clips. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any additional screws. If you feel unsure about this step, our professional diagnosis without obligation can help you assess the situation. After releasing the keyboard, you'll find a ribbon cable connecting it to the motherboard. Carefully lift the connector latch and gently pull the ribbon cable out. Make sure to handle this with care to avoid any damage. Now, let's take a moment to clean the area beneath the keyboard. Use your microfiber cloth to wipe away any dust or debris. This will not only improve the aesthetics but also ensure the longevity of your new keyboard. With the area clean, it's time to install the new keyboard. Align the ribbon cable with its connector on the motherboard and gently push it into place, securing the latch on top. Next, position the keyboard back into its slot and press down until you hear a click, indicating it's fully seated. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, ensuring that they are snug but not overly tight, as this can strip the threads. If you'd prefer to have a professional handle this for you, remember we provide a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. Once all screws are in place, it's time to reinsert the battery if you removed it. Plug in your laptop and power it on. Check if the new keyboard is functioning correctly by testing each key. If everything looks good, congratulations! You've successfully replaced your Dell keyboard. If you encountered any issues or prefer assistance, keep in mind we offer services with no calls, no travel, making it simple and efficient for you to get the help you need. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.